So Megan Sajak and Andy Sajak are both back. They're from Stan Shoes and Good Miles Running Company to make sure that your feet are happy with the fit and you're happy with the style as well. Good to see you guys.
Good morning. Good to see you.
Yeah, I love this. I mean, this time of year, first of all, I mean, sneakers are having their day. This is all anybody wears, with a dress, with pants, with shorts, with anything. Sneakers are it.
That's true. And HOKA is one of the best brands in the world, and we are so happy to have it here in Milwaukee at Stan's and Good Miles. So we're here with both of our stores. So Stan's, we've been around for 75 years. We'll sit down, measure your foot, make sure it's the right shoe for you.
Third generation,
yes,
baby.
Third generation, brother and sister here. And we have two other brothers in the business as well. But we really want to make sure you're in the right shoe. So we see a lot of teachers, healthcare professionals, people who are traveling, people who have plantar fasciitis, different medical issues, and style. We have a lot of just fun as well.
Yeah.
But athletic is having its day, and HOKA is as well. So Stan's is a great place for that. And then with Good Miles, that's our athletic performance store, shoe store. So we say every mile's a good mile, whether you're walking around the block or running a 5, 10K marathon, ultra marathon. We work with a number of individuals really to reach their goals, their personal goals, and meet them wherever they are. So HOKA's a great brand to do that with.
Absolutely. And here's the thing, you guys make sure you get the right fit. So the shoe that you have is the right one for your foot and the way that you walk on it.
Yes.
And any issues that you have. So that's what I think is so great about what you guys. So let's talk HOKA.
Let's talk HOKA.
So what do we got here
Absolutely.
today?
Well, you've probably heard of them. I mean, a lot of people or your
everybody's
friend has
wearing
told
them.
you about
How can you
them.
not?
Exactly. So the important part is there's a bunch of different kinds we're going to talk about,
Okay.
but each one's different, as you had said too. So your friend may like the Clifton, but maybe the Bondi is better for you. So that's part of the fun, is really kind of
Good, because I don't know all these.
Absolutely. We're going to start with the Arahi 8. This is a brand new launch, just came out.
Those are cute.
Really nice light stability, has their H-frame stability, right? So it really helps hold your foot in the shoe. Really, really light, but it has that great stability. Love this color up here for ladies.
I like the
and
little
for guys.
reflector on back too. That's great for a little
Absolutely.
running. I don't know if you can tell it's reflector, but I can.
Great for a light stability runner.
Oh, that's light.
Great for teachers, people running around for
You
the
weren't
day.
kidding.
Absolutely wonderful.
Okay.
There. One of our big favorites, and you and I were talking about this before, the Bondi.
I'm already obsessed. These are almost like a little bit of a platform, even though they're not, which I love.
Absolutely. So plush cushioning, really the plushest ride from HOKA across the board.
The
really fun
plushest
colors.
ride.
I know, I agree. One of our favorites for sure. Also, too, want to make a call out. So in black and also in white, they make a wipeable and slip resistant version, which is great for medical professionals.
Yeah, I was going to say medical and restaurants.
Absolutely.
Yes.
So
because
one
the
of
full
our
black
favorites.
one too.
So it's like walking around on one of those mats all day long.
Oh,
to give you
that's
great support.
nice.
So
Look
all that
at
great
that.
cushion, but more functionality, as you know.
Well, I like the fact that you said it's wipeable, and you can actually tell here too. This isn't going to stain. You can truly like clean this off.
Absolutely.
And the full black one as well. I remember when I worked for a restaurant for a long time, I had to wear all black or all white. You couldn't wear anything in between.
Yes,
so
and you
that
have
was
to be
like
on
your
comfort.
choice.
You have to be comfortable because you're on your feet all day.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
All right, what else do we have?
Sure. So Clifton 10 is going to be one of our favorites too. So this one here, the most popular shoe from HOKA for sure. Great everyday run around, wonderful colors on the fashion side of things, but really a really great everyday trainer that we see across there. So nice neutral ride, plush cushioning, not quite as tall as the Bondi if you like to be a little closer to the ground, but really, really light, fun, fast. We love that one as well.
I feel like a lot of people love the way they fit around the ankle. This is something that seems very easy and comfortable, as it keeps a lot of stability there.
Absolutely. Holds that foot easy in and out too.
Yeah, because it's flexy.
And cradles around that ankle, so nothing to rub or give.
Look at these little slip-ons, by the way. I've never seen these before.
Absolutely. So great, great recovery as well. Easy to pop on and off
Cool.
by the back door, whatever it may be, after you're doing your run or whatever from work.
And it's like almost like a little handle.
Absolutely. Can just grab and go, which is fun there too. I'm going to switch over to the Gaviota over here. So Gaviota 5, this is really plush stability. So if you mixed kind of the stability along with the Bondi, you get the Gaviota. So nice and light, but for people who are overpronators, people who tend to roll in, really great shoe.
Does that mean like you put your feet go in?
Right, where your ankles may roll in. It has a support system to help keep you straight and moving in that direction. Helps knees, hip, back, all those good things.
See, that's a big thing, because you know a lot of times as you age, the biggest thing is you got to keep your feet more flat and straight, because otherwise your hips have more issues.
Absolutely.
So that's, of course you know that.
How you interact with the ground. So.
Like, oh, I just tried to tell you something about how we walk.
I appreciate you've been learning as we've been doing this.
I'm learning.
This is good.
I think about my mom, you know, and that's one of the things we all think about, not only ourselves and our feet, but our parents. And so it's like getting them in a solid, good, stable shoe is going to help with balance. It's going to help with all these issues that happen as people start to age as well.
Absolutely.
First of all, those look like
I'm not
dress.
Meg talking about those.
Like I could wear that with that's like what people wear with a dress.
Yes, exactly. I do. It's the Transport. I love the Transport. It's their commuter runner shoe, really. So
Cute.
a lot lightweight and really great traction on the bottom.
That's
so you
adorable.
can slip it on when you're going in and out of the office, doing some errands. I think that eggnog color is very trendy and neutral right
pretty.
now. But
We have
really
like
great.
a little less than a minute, so
There's a lot to go.
Good to hear. So let's pop to some performance things here. So on the run side at our Good Miles store, we have the Skyflow, really light, fast, really awesome rebounding cushion here. Runners here, and then the Skyflow X, carbon plated, really plush ride, makes you taller too.
Makes you taller.
Taller and faster right there, but awesome shoe, really lightweight.
Got
looks
some
like
high
heavy,
tops
which
for
would be
some
great.
of the other peeps.
And then also outdoor, so waterproof sandals. If you have plantar fasciitis and can't wear flip-flops, you get all that great support, but in a sandal that can go in and out of water. So the cool part about HOKA, whatever you need it for, where if you actually are running, if you're on your feet a ton, they've got the shoes for it. We can help you with the fit.
Thanks, you guys.